Want to make a career in networking or cybersecurity, but find it intimidating and overwhelming? Or you are someone in the field but confused about what to do next, stuck in the same role and don't know how to advance your career or grow your skills? Hi friends, let me introduce myself. Welcome to Simplifying Networking and Cybersecurity. My name is Mohsin. I have spent 18 years in the industry and almost 14 years as a CCIE in routing and switching, or enterprise infrastructure as it is known today. During this time, I have worked for large organizations across telecom, ISP, banking, enterprise, and government sectors, solving complex business problems, designing sustainable systems, and delivering outcomes that really matter, like security, uptime, scale, and clarity. So basically, I started as a psychology graduate, then did my CCNA in 2008, and went on to become a CCIE on my third attempt. Today, I hold major networking and cybersecurity certifications like CISSP, ISSAP, CCSP, CISM, CGEIT, CRISC, CISA, PCNSE, TOGAF, PMP, and F5 certified solutions expert in security. Navigating the world of professional IT certifications and network architecture can be really overwhelming. I know that from my experience. So my mission is to strip away the complexity and make things simplified for you. Whether you are aiming for the CISSP or trying to learn F5 LTM or just starting your journey in GRC, I break down high-level technical concepts into clear, real-world lessons you can actually use to advance your career. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel and join me in this journey to bridge the gap between theory and practical expertise, one simplified lesson at a time. Thank you so much. See you soon again.